with we finished our first heat of the Pro-Am. We got Jeff Knoll's team in the lead at 24 laps, Gary Worden in second, Victor Villachau in third, Jim Wood in fourth, Mike Chmielewski in fifth. Laps that segment, we had Jeff, Gary, and Victor all with 24, Jim and Mike each with 23. Fast laps, we had a 4.849 by Jeff, a 4.854 by Mike, a 4.852 by Jim, and a 4.9 something from the other. Let's go back. Silver car, I'm going to back you up. You'll need plenty of brake on these. Probably about a 6 or 7 at least. Track. Rider. Yeah, but sorry, Peter. Red. Black. Stay in. You got it. Good lap, good heat. All right, yellow goes to orange, doesn't it? Knoll's your leader by 2 laps at 48. Team Jeff Knoll, Victor Villachau's in second. Team Jim Woods in third at 45. Mike Chmielewski 44, Gary Worden 43. Fast laps. So let's go laps that segment. Jeff Knoll picked up 24. Victor Villachau and Wood 22. Chmielewski 21 and Worden 19. Fast laps. Knoll 4.810. Villachau 4.904. Chmielewski a 4.960, Wood a 4.996, and Worden a 5.337. Go back to racing. Orange. Put it in the slot. Oh, orange, Victor. Track. Had 2 or 3 off. Sorry, guys. All on me. Still your leader at 72, Victor Villachow 70, Jim Wood and Mike Chmielewski tied at 68, Gary Worden at 66. Laps that segment, that's Knoll, Villachow, and Chmielewski all with 24, Wood and Worden with 23. Fast laps, Mike Chmielewski with a 4.813, Jeff Knoll with a 4.838, Jim Wood with a 4.877, Villachow with a 4.974, and Worden with a 5.066. Back to racing. Good run. White, white, white. Can't believe Jeff didn't put that in and keep. We can tell. White, white, white. Thank you. Good job, Victor. Yellow. Track, track, track. Just leave it. Okay. Get a lap, get a lap, get a lap. Roll through. All right, Jeff Knoll still your leader at 97, Victor Villachow at 94. Mike Chmielewski just slid past Jim Wood. Mike at 91, Team Jim Wood at 90, Gary Worden at 86. Laps that segment. Knoll 25, Villachow 24, Chmielewski 23, Wood 22, and Worden 20. Fast laps, Jeff Knoll with a 4.788, Victor Villachow a 4.843, Chmielewski with a 4.908, Wood with a 5.107 on white, and Worden with a 5.320. Back to racing. Somebody hit the button.
Go. 20 seconds left.
I was running so good. Too much what? That's what it was. You were dogging me so much. I finally got some breathing room, and then I wrecked.
5 seconds left. Heat over.
Green, Mike. I'll get the car if you get your controller.
Peter, just run my car.
All right, Noel still your leader at 121. Villachow following up at 117. Chmielewski 115. Wood dropped another lap at 113 to Chmielewski. Worden at 109. Laps at heat. Noel 24. Villachow. Well, Chmielewski 24 also. Noel and Chmielewski 24. Villachow, Wood, and Worden all 23. Fast lap. Noel 4.732. Chmielewski at 4.775. Villachow 4.922 on white. Wood a 4.921 on red. And Worden at 4.953 on orange. All right, back to race. White, red, or yeah, green. That green. Yep. Woo. Green, Bill. There you go. Thank you. Get it. In the heat.
Heat over.
It's me, oak and pine season.
Ready. Go. Under. Yellow flag.
No, it don't. no, it don't.
Ready. Go. Yellow flag.
Come on, Mike. Just stop what you're doing and put the car in. You don't have to wait on a yellow flag.
Ready. Go.
All right. Jeff Knoll, 168. Villachow, 164. Chmielewski, 163. Wood, 159. Worden, 150. Laps that segment. Wood picked up 25. Team Chmielewski, 24. Everybody else at 23. Fast laps. Knoll with a 4.911. Wood with a 4.848. Villachow with a 4.892. Chmielewski with a 4.785, and Worden with a 5.002. That's all right. You'll get your rhythm. Green, green, green. Track. Try not to stop all the way there. If you need to take some brake off, back it down a hair. There it is. Thank you, Bill. Thank you. Orange. Purple. Your side. Purple. Heat over. Race over. Which one is it? Seven. Okay. All right, Team Villachow wins. Jeff? Oh, excuse me. Team Knoll wins with 190 laps. Team Knoll was Jeff Knoll and Victor Abreu. Team Villachow came in second with Victor Villachow and Bill Porter. Mike Chmielewski came in third with Mike and Peter Kelly. Jim Wood and Mike my mind just went blank. Jim and Mike came in fourth with 179 laps. Gary and Don Parsons with 169. So there we go. That's our final race of the day.